Hello and welcome. Today, we find ourselves in the lively and colorful streets of Shinsaibashi in Osaka, a bustling area known for its incredible energy, stylish shops, and most importantly, its delicious food culture. As we stroll through these vibrant surroundings, let's take a moment to talk about something simple yet deeply meaningful in everyday communication. How do you invite someone to eat in English in a natural and friendly way? Whether you are just learning or brushing up on your conversational skills, these little phrases can make a big difference in helping you connect with others. Sharing a meal is not just about satisfying hunger, it is a chance to bond, to spend time together, and to build relationships. So, let me guide you through a few expressions that you can use when you want to suggest having something to eat. Imagine you and a friend are walking around, maybe sightseeing or shopping, and suddenly you both feel a bit hungry. One of the easiest and most common ways to propose eating together is simply to say, "Let us go eat." It sounds direct, but it carries a friendly and inviting tone. It does not feel like a command, instead it feels like you are including the other person in your plans. It is a warm and easygoing way to bring up the idea of food. Now let us look at another way to suggest eating, one that sounds a bit softer and gives the other person a chance to respond more openly. You can ask, "Do you feel like eating something?" This turns the invitation into a question, and it shows that you are being thoughtful and considerate. It gives the other person a chance to say what they are in the mood for, or if they are even hungry at all. It opens the door to a conversation, and sometimes that small moment of choosing what to eat together can be a really enjoyable part of the day. There is also another approach, which is a little more subtle. You might ask, "Are you hungry?" On the surface, it seems like you are just checking in on someone, but in reality, it is often a casual and indirect way of suggesting food. It is a softer approach, and it gives the other person a chance to admit they are hungry without feeling pressured. It is perfect for situations where you want to be gentle or when you are not sure if it is the right time to bring up food. This phrase carries a sense of care and concern, and it is something we naturally say to friends, family, or even new acquaintances we are getting to know. Now as we wander through the alleyways filled with the scent of fresh noodles, sizzling meats, and savory broths, think about how powerful these simple phrases are. Saying something like "Let us go eat" or "Do you want to grab a bite" or "Are you hungry" is not just about the language. It is about creating shared moments. It is about understanding cultural context and expressing warmth and inclusiveness. Whether you are in a big city like Osaka or a small town anywhere in the world, food is a universal experience that brings people closer together. So the next time you are out with someone, and you want to enjoy a meal together, try using one of these phrases. See how they respond. You might notice that people appreciate the gesture more than you expect. Because at the end of the day, inviting someone to eat is one of the most genuine and kind things you can do. It says, "I enjoy your company. I want to spend more time with you. And I care about your comfort and happiness." That small offer, whether it leads to a bowl of ramen, a cup of coffee, or a full meal, is a beautiful way to share a part of yourself. Keep practicing these expressions and observe how they naturally fit into your conversations. Try them in different situations, and see which ones feel the most comfortable to you. With time, they will become second nature. Language is not just about memorizing vocabulary or grammar, it is about using those tools to build real, meaningful connections. So go out there, start a conversation, and maybe suggest grabbing something to eat. You never know where a simple invitation might lead.